What's up, creators? It's Kool here, your AI mentor from authorityvideos.com, where creativity meets cash flow. Today we're diving into a trend that's lighting up social media, baby runway videos. But here's the twist. We're making it unique with a fresh spin. Imagine adorable AI-generated cute babies with flower outfits or with fairy wings as they strut the runway. Forget the ordinary. We're making extraordinary viral magic today. These videos are show-stopping, shareable, and perfect for monetization. Think ad revenue, brand collaborations, and affiliate marketing. And the best part? You don't need real models or expensive equipment to create these viral sensations. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to brainstorm runway-ready ideas with ChatGPT, create eye-popping visuals with Leonardo AI, animate your runway stars with Kling AI, edit your masterpiece with Veed, and don't forget the free cheat sheet in the description. It's your step-by-step guide to creating AI-powered magic. Ready to turn the runway into your creative playground? Let's go! 2. Step-by-step tutorial, value-driven content. Step 1. Idea generation with ChatGPT. First, grab the link in the description to set up your free ChatGPT account. It's where creativity meets simplicity. In ChatGPT, use this prompt, which I will give you for free. Check the description. Generate 5 unique and imaginative ideas for baby runway videos, including themes, outfits, and props. Here's what I got. Pro tip: add fun props and exciting details to your prompts to make each baby even more memorable. Your runway stars deserve the spotlight. Step 2. Image creation with Leonardo AI. Next, head over to Leonardo AI. Use the link in the description to sign up and grab your free tokens. It's the ultimate tool for turning ideas into visuals. Log into Leonardo AI and adjust these settings. Model, Leonardo Phoenix. Style, dynamic fashion. Contrast, medium-high for bold runway visuals. Aspect ratio, 9:6 for shorts and reels. Now copy one of your ChatGPT ideas, like a playful baby elf wearing a tunic made from soft sunflowers and trailing vines, and paste it into Leonardo AI. The results? Eye-catching, professional-grade visuals that are runway-ready. Save these for the next step. Leonardo AI is like having your own personal designer, fast, reliable, and always ready to impress. Step 3. Animation with Kling AI. Let's bring those visuals to life. Click the link in the description to create your free Kling AI account. It's time to make your runway stars move. Upload your cute baby image, paste the same prompt used in Leonardo AI, and click Generate Animation. Animation is where the magic happens. Suddenly these adorable creations feel alive, and trust me, your audience will love it. Step 4. Editing with Veed. Time to pull it all together in Veed. Use the link in the description to create your free account. It's where your video gets its final polish. Import your animated clips into Veed and set the aspect ratio to 9:6. Add transitions like dissolve for smooth scene changes. Label each scene with text overlays, like a playful baby elf wearing a tunic or a dreamy baby nature spirit dressed in a flowing dress. Use fun, bold fonts that match the theme. Finally, add a trending soundtrack that ties it all together. Once everything looks flawless, hit export, and your viral masterpiece is ready to shine. Editing is where your creativity truly shines. With Veed, you're not just making a video, you're crafting a story. And there you have it, your very own viral baby runway video with a fresh twist that's sure to stand out. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Don't forget to grab the free cheat sheet in the description. It's your go-to guide for creating AI-powered magic. And I'd love to see your creations. Drop a comment and share them. Until next time, keep creating, keep earning, and remember, it's cool to stand out.